Okay, so this is just a really quick video on how to get rid of EMI. It's so simple for retuning the Deus II to a different frequency so it doesn't get interfered with. So what you do, turn it on, go through all this setting again, come to something like that, that's it. Get rid of that. So if you can hear that, if you can hear me, that's EMI. So that EMI is coming from that machine over there. So to get rid of that, all you do is hold that button. Hold that button until you see that little movement going up that bar. And when it's finished, your EMI has gone. And it's as simple as that. Hold your corner button, and then it retunes that out. So now I can actually metal detect right next to that machine over there. Yeah, cool, eh?
Looks like you've got to the end of the video. Click here to subscribe and click here to watch another video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!